What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this bag right here. This is the Louis Vuitton mini bum bag. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay, so this bag comes in the monogram canvas. It has a front pocket and a main compartment. Really wanted that bum bag that had the top handle that Louis Vuitton had, and I wanted it so bad, but I could never get my hands on it. So once I saw this, I actually liked this more because this was small. I used to have a Gucci bum bag, which I'll insert a picture, and I just hated the way it laid on me. It was so big that it kind of wrapped around me. So anytime you would put products in it, it would change its shape. So I felt like this one, since it was mini, it would be super cute to wear. I purchased this bag October 2023, so I've had it for over a year now, and I think it looks great for a year. I don't really see any noticeable wear on this bag, and even with the strap. So since it is vachetta, it will turn. It actually looks really good. Just some wrinkling, but that's to be expected. So here is the bag up close. The interior is brown microfiber, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris right here. And you just get one big compartment. There's no slip pockets. So this bag comes with a removable and adjustable strap, and it also comes with this removable chain. So I actually use this chain on another one of my bags. I use it on my Hermes Mini Evelyn. Never wear this bag with this chain, just because I don't like how it hangs. So I like that you do have that option to remove this, and then you get this front pocket, which I will say this front pocket you actually can get your hands in and out of. So on the Louis Vuitton website, this is 6.7 inches in length, 4.7 inches in height, and then 3.7 inches width. And the strap drop is between 12.6 inches and 17.3 inches. It has 8 adjustable holes. I feel like they should make a few more holes just to make it tighter and have it sit up higher. So according to their website, it says that you can fit a 6.7 inch smartphone, a Rosalie, I think is how you pronounce that, coin purse, sunglasses, earphones, keys, and lipstick. I am in Puerto Rico, but I've been using this bag while I've been here on my trip. So here's all the things inside. I just have been putting the key to my room. That was my room key, and that was it in this front pocket. I'm just gonna hold it. So the first thing is my AirPods case. I have the older AirPods, and they're in this little Celine case. I got this off of Amazon a long time ago, but I will try to link something similar. Then I have some hand sanitizer. This is the lip combo that I'm currently wearing. This is the Maybelline Nude Whisper. I also got this off of Amazon, and then I just got the little Sephora birthday gift, and this is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. And in the back, I have this portable charger, just because my phone always dies, and on vacation, you need a portable charger. And then the last thing in here is my wallet. So this is a little Chanel wallet. And in here, I just have my ID, money, and my credit card. So that's everything that is inside. My room key, my wallet, my lip balm, and my hand sanitizer have been going in this bag. And then I've been taking another bag that's kind of like a crochet bag from Amazon. Because when I'm on vacation, I feel like this is honestly kind of too small. So here's the bag on my waist. This is on the shortest hole on the strap, and I kind of would like it to hang a little bit higher. I do want to show you that the chain hangs really low, so if you like that look, go for it. I personally don't. What's a waist? The chain actually fits around, so if you are smaller, you can totally try the chain. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. So I sometimes carry it like this, not with this chain, because again, I don't wear it with this chain. I will grab it like this a lot, so kind of like using this as a purse strap. You could also wear it straight across like this, but since I have it on the shortest adjustment, it's a little uncomfortable. Older bag, which is kind of cute. So I like the versatility. I like that you can take the straps off. I like that you can interchange straps if you like. And I just think it is so cute. The only gripes that I have are obvious. This doesn't fit that much, and they should maybe put a few extra holes in this bag, but that's okay. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.